Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to schedule calls on WhatsApp. Let's have a look. First, make sure your WhatsApp up to date. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Now tap calls from bottom menu. Tap green phone icon on the bottom right of call section. Here you will see the new option schedule call feature. Tap schedule call. By default, you will see your name on the top. That means you are going to schedule call. Under the name, you will see description. You can write here something about the call, like meeting for New Year, or you can skip it. Now set time and date for schedule call. Tap date section and choose the date. Then tap time section for call time. You can choose hour, minutes, and AM/PM. You can set call end time or you can remove it. Now choose call type. Select a call type. You can choose video or voice call. Tap send button. Now choose the person to send the schedule and tap send button. Once created, the event will be shared. They can see the call time and details. You can tap edit event and change the call time. Tap send button to update edited part. Also, you can cancel schedule call anytime. So these are the steps to use schedule calls on WhatsApp. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.